Hello students, let us solve this problem. So you have a harmonic oscillator in the state. So you can give it state psi, which is e power minus alpha square by 2 e power alpha a plus 0. Now if they say where is the 0 is the ground state और a आपका है dagger operator, a dagger is the raising operator, alpha is the complex number. Now they say what is the probability that the harmonic oscillator is in the nth eigenstate. So basically we have to calculate p and probability of the harmonic oscillator being in the nth eigenstate, that is n psi n square. We need to calculate this. Now what is psi? Your psi, the psi is already given, e power minus alpha square by 2 e alpha a plus 0. Now this can be written as a e power alpha square by 2 exponential. We can write as a summation. This is x, right? Alpha a plus power n, and then you have a factorial n, and this is state 0. Now, how do we apply here? And this can be further written as psi e power minus alpha square mod by 2 summation. This is n goes from 0 to infinite, n goes to 0 to infinite. This is alpha n, a dagger power n, and then you have a factorial n, and you have a 0 here. Now, when you operate a dagger on any state, say n, then you get n plus 1, and then you get n plus 1. If I say I operate a dagger on 0, what I'll get? I'll get n plus 1, 0, that means 1. I'll get the 1. If I apply 2 times a dagger on 0, I'll get update 1 time more here. So this will be root 1 as it is. This will be root 2, and this will be state 2. Similarly, if I apply 3 times, this will be root 1, root 2, apply 1 more time. So n plus 1, root 3 will come, and this will become 3. So similarly, if I apply n times on 0, this will give me root 1, root 2, root 3, up to root n, and the state will be also n. Now this is what? This is the factorial of root n. So this will be factorial, you have a root n, factorial of root n, and the state is n. Now put the value here. So now my states become psi e power minus alpha square by 2, and this becomes n 0 infinite alpha n as it is, and factorial n is also there, and here you have 0, which is root n factorial, and the state is n. So here you have a root n factorial, and here you have a factorial n. So this will give me what? Psi. So psi will become e power minus alpha square by 2. This is n0 infinite alpha n state n, and this will become root n factorial. And now let us calculate the probability, that is n psi n So if I calculate n psi n now here, n psi n. So n psi n, if I calculate this one, so this become 1. So this will be already, this will give me only e power alpha square by 2 alpha n factorial factorial of root n. Now let us calculate this. This is the amplitude, and now if you want the probability, this will be n psi square. That is, this term will become e power minus alpha square. 2 will this become alpha power 2n, and this will become factorial n. So you have a e power minus alpha square mod a. Of course, this is the mod here. The mod here. 2 to cancel, and then you have a alpha power 2 power n, and this is a factorial n. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.